Hola, high fashion dollars. My name is Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Defalucy model number 6 from the Icon series from the collector edition of Defalucy. So sit back, grab a snack, and let's get into this unboxing. So Defalucy has been in my hands for about a week, but with all of the Dolly news that has been out, the news has kind of taken first dibs in my life right now because I just feel like there's been a lot to cover. So we are finally going to give Defalucy model number 6 her devoted time. It is kind of weird to say model number 6, mostly because there were only supposed to be 5 of them, and this bonus came out of nowhere. But nonetheless, we are excited. So let me go ahead and take her out of the shipper box, which I've already started to do. Throw that over there. Here we have our Defalucy box in the protected plastic that it comes in. Let's go ahead and remove that as well. No, we don't need that. We don't need that. Now, knowing that she is model number 6 and the final model in this series. Oh, sorry, I totally hit the mic with the box. My apologies. I wonder if the next series will stay within the yellow motif. Like, is this Defalucy's branding? Is it yellow with the black lettering? Or will the box change depending on the theme of the next collection? I say next collection because if I'm not mistaken, someone can correct me if I'm wrong, it has already been confirmed that they have already worked on the next series and that it will be released shortly. So, shall we? You know, this is not that easy to do with just one hand like that. Baby, you know, maybe it's because I've caught on to the trend of what's currently happening in the world with pop culture. And all I see now when I look at her is Love Island. I said it. I did. Like, there's just something about the screening that's giving very much she's a contestant on Love Island. But thankfully her outfit is not giving that, okay? Because we prefer this than what they were on Love Island. For those wondering what I'm talking about, here she is in the box. Take a look at her very nicely, very nicely. I'm going to go ahead and unbox her off camera if you are new around here so we can take a look at her as she is. Then we're going to take all the items away. We're going to look at them really closely. And then at the end of my video, as I normally do, I'm going to style this look on an Integrity Toys model. As standard with any Defalucy purchase, we get a certificate of authenticity and a fabulous doll stand, which after 6 dolls, have I purchased 6? I think I have. I finally figured out how to remove the paper in the bottom. Can you believe that? Listen, we finally got there. That's the important part. This Defalucy doll includes a pair of reading glasses, 1 pair of socks, red sneakers with red laces, and the inside is painted black. Look at that. I am focusing on the inside and mentioning it because I really love the contrast of looking at their shoe and having like a little bit of a different pop in the inside. It's not something that we see very often from other doll shoes. Well, let's get serious. We don't really see this kind of sneaker very often, do we? Just at mini brands and Defalucy, and I love that. It's just a very nice, clean, basic tennis shoe, sneaker, whatever you want to call it. We love it. For clothing items, we have another oversized white tee with a pocket in the front. We have the standard 1 button in the back for opening and closure. I would be very gentle with the buttons. They don't feel very secure. I don't know if I've noticed it before or if this is the first time I'm noticing it, but I would say use this with care. That's all I gotta say there. I honestly was thinking also, I would have loved maybe this girl to be paired with that like white halter top bra that one of the deluxe dolls had, just to switch it up. Just because the last doll with the leather jacket had an oversized shirt, so it'd be cute to you see something a little bit more body hugging underneath such an oversized jacket. But that's just a personal taste of styling for me. This Defalucy doll has the same denim shorts as our previous Defalucy doll, model number 5. However, these are in a dark blue wash, which I love. I love the fact that the other ones are black and these are blue. So although the design and the style is very similar, pretty much the same, the color is different. So it gives us some variation. Wasn't even trying to say the word there. When it comes to styling, the shorts do have a hook for closure in the back, as you see there. I will actually be having my friend give it another loop. If you give it another loop, they fit really nicely on an Integrity Toys doll and fit. The look is just amazing. And here you see that we have the studs again with the rough edges. We do have working pockets on the front and we have working pockets in the back. These shorts, let's just say they're going to get a lot of use in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, they are. And now for what I would consider the centerpiece of this look, the varsity jacket. Look at it, won't you? I have to say, the material used for this jacket is amazing. I don't really know the name of it, but it has a very nice like scuba feel, but it's soft. Love, love, love that we have the ribbing in the red and the white. Love the detail of the faux leather in the pockets. The pockets do work. They are open. We have buttons down the front, as you see. We have the other buttons in here for the closure. We have faux buttons in the front. You know, keeping it on scale on the outside, but giving you functional on the inside. And as you see, the jacket is lined only in the body. The sleeves are not lined, which probably makes a lot of sense. That way you can wear such an oversized t-shirt and still make it fit. If the lining was there, it would have not worked for styling purposes to like layer up. So makes perfect sense. And yeah, the creation is always creating at Defalucy. Like the clothing is always top tier. It's why they keep me coming back with the collector dolls, to be specific. Now let's take a look at the doll, shall we? Because she is stunning. The face card doesn't decline. Love the green eyes. You know, not the standard blue, because we get tired of that. Love the very neutral makeup. I have heard from a friend there is no skin tone to match at IT, so she will not be getting rebodied. As you see, she has also the very simple earrings our previous Defalucy had, but she has them in silver, while the previous Defalucy doll had them in gold. And also, I don't know if I've noticed this with the other girls. She's been out of the box now for a few hours. It's feeling a little bit more loose, but when she came out of the box for the first time ever, I was like, oh, you have product? I didn't feel that with the other girls, but something about her hair in particular feels very tacky. That's, I think, the best word I can give you. Now, as a standard Defalucy, she has articulation in her head. As you see here, we have articulation at the elbow, shoulder, wrist, hip, and knee. And she is on a high heel foot. And her hands are not removable, for those that might have not known. I know we're on model 6 and I'm saying that now, but you know. And she is on the new Defalucy torso, which we love. I still just want to see more hype from Defalucy, personally. And yeah, the lashes are the lashes. They're still giving. They're just giving a lot. But it is what it is. You do with that what you can.